YouTube? It's your boy Motion back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today we about to go crazy on the X5. Woo! As you can see right here, we got the VRSF downpipes right here, Catless downpipes. I'm about to go crazy with this build. I told you I'm about to go crazy for y'all boys, and make sure y'all stay tuned for the video. I'm also about to get this little low temp thermostat installed, keep the engine temperature warm. I told you I'm about to go crazy. But you know, I'm about to get this all packed up. It's about to be a movie. Can't wait to show y'all how I don't know what I'm saying right now, but I can't wait to show y'all how crazy this car is about to sound, man. Like, I'm actually running late right now, but I had to get the video. I had to make sure to get the video up for y'all, cause if I ain't get the video, then there's no point in me installing these downpipes. So I'm feeling, cause I gotta go crazy for y'all. Y'all gotta watch me go crazy. You feel me? But you know, right now I'm at a half tank, so I'm debating if I should go to the gas station or not. But I probably might not go to the gas station because we're running late. So I'm gonna just do that on the way back. But nah, the X5 though, oh, this car is amazing. Can't wait to just downshift. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to show y'all boys, you feel me? Like, this might be a great day. So, what time is it? It's like 3:30. I'm gonna get there around like 4, but this is about to be crazy. I can't wait to show y'all this. And I'm excited myself. Like, I can't hear my voice. Like, I don't know what I'm saying, but I just know I'm about to go crazy. You feel me? Like, so, you know, I'm gonna tap in on the way there. So, you know, it's a long drive. So I'm gonna just probably give you a POV on the way there and just chilling. But when we get there, we about to go crazy. Yo, too. You know, I could've had to get a little pull before I get up on the highway. Woo! You know how to give you a little something. A little pull off the ramp. You know how to give you a little something. We're about to go crazy with these downpipes though. Like, just wait, the downshifts is gonna be incredible. Like, this is about to be crazy. Just wait, y'all. Tune on the way. Downshift, burbos, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, high, give you a little pull. Traffic smooth. Carb smooth. Woo! How to go crazy for y'all. Like, I'm just excited, bro. I know y'all excited too. Y'all can't wait to hear this little V8, unleash the V8, bro. Like, I'm running late, but I'm putting something together though. I'm gonna put this video together. I'm running late, like. Whew. This car, man, I just love it so much. But you feel me? Like, I don't know. Shot build special. So you two, you know, we just got here to my man's garage. Shout out to him, Shot Built. Shot Built's garage, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we might get the downpipes and shit installed. Got the X5 right here, M3. Oh yeah, my fault. There you go. About to get me right. Need a Shot Built sticker right on the side though. He lacking with that one. But you know, best work in the DMV, best BMW tech you can find over here. I'm gonna put his information down in the description if y'all trying to get your BMWs built. He mostly work on the M3s though, but that's 55 King, that's what they call him. You know, if anybody get me right, got this M3 right here. I think it's crazy. A red interior. This thing go hard though. But yeah, you better get me right. But I'm gonna tap you into the way. Make sure everything's cool, show you what's good, shit. I'm good. Yeah. That's the before. The before sound crazy. That's the before. That's just the before. Just wait till the downpipes come on. Yo. Got that 55 motor right here. Forge and turner on the way. That one is not on the way yet. Crazy. But I need one of these stickers, bro. The Shot Built sticker, he's faking. He's not trying. He's not trying to give me. He ain't trying to give me the Shot Built sticker. You know what I'm saying? Got the S55. Crazy. Oh, forward. Something wrong with it. Leaking the cylinder. If y'all need an M3, let me know. I'm gonna get y'all right.
You gotta take all this crap off. All this shit gotta come off.
I gotta do that, but y'all gotta do that. The shop built package.
Yeah, I don't gotta even do that. He gotta.
This car about to set some records for shop built. Just cause he's touching it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be crazy though. I don't know what I'm looking at. But they gotta take all this off, right?
All that gotta come off. Yeah. It doesn't gotta come off. It just gotta be put to the side.
This the high pressure fuel pump, right?
That's the high pressure.
This one right here?
Yeah, at the bottom.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting upgraded ones, the F90 ones.
Yeah, you can.
More fueling.
But yeah, that means you gotta tune that fucker.
Yeah.
You gotta retune all that. And then
Bigger turbos. I'm trying to get in a 10-second quarter mile. Trying to put this thing on the map. Ain't no one, people don't really build these cars for real though.
not the X5.
Exactly.
Yeah. But these they can put out some power.
Yeah. You gotta know what you're doing. That's how you know he know what he doing. He know all up in the car. Dolphin diving in that bitch. He dolphin diving into the car. Oh, got the downpipe right here. Oh, car went up on the lift. About to hit the ceiling. Whoa. You know what I'm saying? Bruh, just realized I have a nail in my tire. Hold on, where that thing go? How to nail the tire right here. Bro, you know how to nail the tire? I didn't even know that. I ain't never been under this thing.
No, not right now.
That. For my head.
That's the scariest motherfucking part.
What? Going underneath it?
Yeah, after
The
trying to get it locked in place and shit, you know.
Oh shit, cool. Bro, the different size difference is crazy though. I don't want to burn my finger. Why is it so heavy though? But
It's got fucking shit.
yeah. But it's the old can right here. Nonsense. The BMW nonsense right here. And this thing gonna take me to 1,000 horsepower. 1,000 horsepower. About to be crazy. It's 1,000 horsepower build. But we about to get the other one out. Install these. Then we should be cool. Nah, but look at the sound difference though. It's wild though. You know, I'll go back up. Shot built. Not built by Shine ain't built right. You know what I'm saying? You know, we'll get the other one out and then install these and tap y'all back in. Cut the old downpipes out. These things are so hot. These things is heavy, bro. Weight reduction, you feel me? But new downpipes already going, man. Shot built. You know what I'm saying? But can't wait to hear this thing. I don't know what it's gonna sound like. Cause the shit you be hearing on YouTube, like it don't sound like a car, bro. Like,
You don't know what it's like.
I don't know about the sound. Like I ain't never heard one of these before, like in person. On YouTube you hear about your nonsense, but
Bro, that shit sounds.
I just can't wait to hear that thing, man. Alright, y'all, we got the downpipes in. Them Jones look. Woo. Got the downpipes in. Everything's smooth up, everything back together, get the spark plugs done. Cause you know you got these 20 things, you gotta go different spark plugs. But, you know, Shop Bell doing this thing for ain't even taking that long. Taking about an hour. But he about to go crazy. Like, I can't wait to hear this thing. Turn it back on. Got the spark plugs. How that tool even work though? This is gapped?
Yeah. So you basically take your tool, which is .022.
Yeah.
Since I do them quite often, I got it marked because by the time you find the blade, it takes forever. So you mark it first like this. You see that gap?
Yeah.
So that's got to be closed. So if I push this down with this tool,
It's gapped.
nah.
Oh.
You still got to work at it.
Oh.
So I gotta clear that. I mean, I gotta close that gap.
Yeah.
So you gotta slowly tap it. If you do it too much, it breaks the spark plug. So, and then you can't do these on stock plugs because what happens is that the stock plugs are weaker. So now you see that shit went too far, so I gotta go back.
You can ungap it?
Yeah, that's what this side comes in for. So, it's not ungapping, you just straighten that shit out. And take your tool. Still need a little bit more clearance. Right there. And voila. That closed. You don't want to do it too tight, too fast.
Yeah.
Because then these necks, they break.
Let me get out there real quick. YouTube, this is the first startup after the downpipes. Dang, it's cold. It's not that loud, not that bad, not that bad. Okay. Okay. Now that joint's official. That joint's official. I'm about to have some fun with this. Tune on the way, man. It's cold, bro. Ooh. Oh, I'm shivering. It's a real M. That's what it sounds like. It's cold, bro. Shy Built did his thing with that car, man. If it ain't built by Shy Built, it ain't built right. Bro, where can I get a new OEM logo?
Put that bitch on there.
Huh?
Yeah, put it on there.
Where can I get one at? I'm not stealing off his car. Stealing off, the Endo ain't got one. You know, it's cold, bro. Now that sounds crazy though. Let me go back in the garage because I'm freezing, y'all. But you know, that drink sounds insane. Just look how aggressive she looks, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm cold. M is finally done. Downpipe, tune on the way. Got a video on that. Video coming for y'all on that. Probably what's today? I'm probably gonna drop this on Friday. So y'all seen this on Friday. Tune video coming on Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta go crazy for y'all. Do this for y'all. Love y'all. You feel me? Shout me mad love on the videos. Just been about to go crazy with this. It's only right. It's only right to go crazy, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm cold, like I'm freezing. Damn though. Shit is wild. I feel like I'm about downpipes installed. Road to 1,000 horsepower. Let me find out. But once he's done doing everything he's doing, I think he readapting the system, basically clearing everything, making it drive like new, relearn everything. So once he's done with that, I'm gonna tell y'all back in. I get that Shy Built POV. Let's see if you know how to drive for real. Hey, bro, you gotta put that heat on, bro. I was just invited to a BMW drift club.
With a motherfucking X5?
Yeah.
That's funny.
It's crazy. I don't know how I just got invited to that. Who even know this? Right to Sport Plus. Damn. You. Now what? Nah. It's way quieter than I thought it would be though.
But you ain't tuned yet.
Yeah. Miss your X5, huh?
No, I love that.
Damn! Damn. Phone out. Gotta record this. Hold on. Damn! Yo. You don't sound raw though. You know, y'all, the whip is done. Got the shower built package. Stay tuned. Upgrade turbos. All right, bro. Appreciate it.
Yep.
And y'all, this whip, I ain't even driving yet. But I'm about to go crazy with this shower built package. He's short. He got the seat already up, but y'all, this shit is insane. Shit's crazy. I'm gonna cool on the way home. That boy straight launching my shit. Y'all can't even see me, but I'm black, but you know what I'm saying? I got no words for this. She was straight going crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. He was going crazy in this. And I'm about to drive home all day on Sport Plus. I ain't playing. But you know, y'all, hold on. I wish I could see me. Hold on. But y'all know, y'all, this wraps it up for the video. You feel me? Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all, you know, fuck with the video. Hope with y'all fuck with my channel, you know what I'm saying? But like, I got more content on the way for y'all. Make sure I stay tuned, stay tapped in, stay blessed. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Feel me?